How often do you go grocery shopping?
I usually shop every weekend.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I shop at the local market near my house.
Who do you go shopping with?
I go with my mom.
What do you usually buy?
I buy rice, vegetables, and snacks.
Do you use a shopping list?
Yes, I always make a list before going.
Do you prefer shopping in-store or online?
I prefer in-store. I like to choose fresh items.
What time do you usually go shopping?
I usually go in the morning.
How do you get to the store?
I take public transportation like the bus or subway.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Yes, I like choosing food and supplies.
How much do you usually spend?
It depends, but I try to stay on a budget.
What's your favorite thing to buy?
I love buying snacks and fruits.
Do you buy in bulk or just enough for a few days?
I buy in bulk to save time.
Do you check expiration dates?
Yes, I always check them before buying.
Do you use eco bags or plastic bags?
I use eco bags to help the environment.
Do you compare prices before buying?
Yes, I always look for the best deal.
What's something you always forget to buy?
I sometimes forget to buy soap or tissue.
Do you buy snacks for yourself or your family?
I buy snacks for the whole family.
Do you buy local or imported products?
I prefer local products. They're cheaper.
What kind of vegetables do you buy?
I often get onions, garlic, and potatoes.
Do you check your receipt after shopping?
Yes, I always check for errors.
How do you carry your groceries home?
I take a ride home if I buy a lot.
Do you ever forget to buy something important?
Sometimes, but I try to write a list.
What's your least favorite thing to buy?
I don't enjoy buying cleaning supplies.
Do you buy meat or fish?
I buy both, depending on the meal plan.
Do you look for discounts or promotions?
Yes, I always check for sales.
Do you shop at one store or visit many?
I shop at one store to save time.
What kind of fruits do you usually buy?
I buy bananas, apples, and mangoes.